Bonjour mes amis, comment ça va? Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are all very well. So first of all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss les salutations françaises, which means the French greeting. This is a continuation video of my previous video. In my previous video, we had discussed the French greetings which we say when we meet someone. And in today's video, we are going to discuss the French greetings while departing and on leave. I will provide the link of my previous video in the description box. If anybody of you wants to watch the video, can go and watch. So let us start the video. The first greeting word is au revoir. Just read the English pronunciation and repeat with me. Au revoir. Again, au revoir. Very good. The meaning of au revoir is goodbye. And as I had told in my previous video, all the greeting words have formality in French. Au revoir is a formal and neutral greeting word. That means it can be used in the offices and it can be used in general conditions also. Next, salut. Repeat, salut. Again, salut. Very good. Salut means hi and bye. It is an informal greeting word. We can say salut to someone when we meet, and we can also say salut to someone when we are taking leave in the condition of informality. Next, apluta. Repeat, apluta. Again, apluta. Apluta means see you later. When we want to say see you later to a person, we use apluta. It is a formality of formal and neutral. Next, bonjourne. Repeat, bonjourne. Again, bonjourne. Very good. Bonjourne means have a nice day. When we are taking leave and we want to wish have a nice day to a person, we say bonjourne. It again has a formality, formal and neutral. Next, bonsoir. Repeat, bonsoir. Again, bonsoir. Very good. It has a meaning, have a good evening. When we want to wish someone have a good evening, we are taking leave in the evening, we use bonsoir. It is again a formal and a neutral greeting word. These were the few greeting words. I hope you have liked it. If you have liked it, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. And also I have provided the links of the videos. You can go and check. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.